Here's a nice record player that my parents have picked up, made back in 1922. If anybody wants to fill in some information about it, you may do so. But take a look at it. It has the nice logo on the cover. It says Victor Victrola. I like that. That always makes it look nice. Open up the front here, and it came with a lot of records. I like these old records. This one here, Under the Harvest Moon by A.H. Wilson, a one-sider. I like those. Inside here has a date when it was made, October 1st, 1922. This is where the sound comes out louder if you open it up. Does have the crank. It doesn't work because it does need some work done to it. This part is missing. They do have new parts coming that they had given to them, so that's really nice. Once that part is in it, it should work pretty nice. But if you take it and you turn it by hand, it's pretty neat. Place to put the needles, the old ones and the new ones, and a little package of some needles. So once they get that fixed up, it's going to be a pretty nice record player here.